Well, why not fractions? Well, because fractions are harder, because you have to know fractions. But this is an ordinary ruler, and besides this first inch here, which is divided into 30 seconds, which is a lot of fractions, these inches are all divided into sixteenths. And I'm going to show you how sixteenths works and why this is 3/8, but this is 11 sixteenths. So here is a little inch ruler divided into its fractions. And if you look very carefully, it doesn't matter what this inch was, say this is 0 and this is 1 inch. These values are the simplified fractions as read. So you'll need to understand fractions. For understanding fractions, you have to know how to simplify them. And what I've done here is I've made a little chart. Below this line are sixteenths. You can count to 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. 15 sixteenths is followed by 16 sixteenths, which is the same as a whole number. So, but these highlighted sixteenths are reducible fractions. 2 sixteenths has a 2 and 16 have a common factor. The common factor in this case is 2. And for all of these, it will almost be 2 always. 2 sixteenths can be divided by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So this is a simplified fraction here. 4 sixteenths, you can see that 4 and 16 have a least common factor, or a common factor of 2. So if I divide 4 by 2, I get 2. 16 by 2, I get 8. But I can simplify 2/8 further because each of these can be divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. This obviously 6 sixteenths. 6 can be divided by 2 because it's an even number. 16 by 2, even number, 3/8. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 16 divided by 2 is 8. This 1/2 inch mark is 8 sixteenths, which is 8 divided by 2 is 4. 16 divided by 2 is 8. We can simplify it further. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And we can simplify 2/4 further. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So that's why 1/2 is a simplified fraction. And this is something you will need to know how to do. In fact, I might even extend it to the 30 seconds. But for now, this is fractional inches to the sixteenths.